Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in Zoho Books. Keeping track of your business expenses is essential for maintaining accurate financial records, and Zoho Books makes this process straightforward and efficient. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Books account using your username and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready to ensure a smooth login process. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home screen. Direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your finances. Look for the option labeled Purchases and click on it. This will expand a submenu with several choices related to purchase management. From this expanded menu, click on Expenses to proceed to the Expense Tracking section. You'll now be directed to the Expenses menu, which serves as your central hub for viewing and managing all recorded expenses. From this page, locate and click on the Record Expenses button. This action takes you to the form where you'll input all the relevant details about your expense. On the Record Expense page, you'll see several fields that need to be filled out. Start by entering the date of the expense to ensure your records reflect the correct timeline. Next, click on the Expenses Account drop-down menu to select the appropriate category for this expense, which helps organize your spending by type. Enter the amount of the expense in the designated field, then choose whether this amount is tax-inclusive or tax-exclusive using the radio buttons provided. This distinction is important for accurate tax reporting. Moving to the next section, you'll need to fill in the Paid-Through field. Click the drop-down button to see the available payment methods and select how this expense was paid, whether through cash, credit card, or bank transfer. Add the applicable tax amount and select the vendor associated with this expense. If you have a reference number for this transaction, record it in the appropriate field. There's also a notes section where you can add any additional details or context about this expense, which can be helpful for future reference. Finally, click the drop-down arrow on the customer name field to view the list of customers in your Zoho account. If this expense is related to a specific customer project, select the appropriate name. You can also optionally associate a tag with this expense to make it easier to search and categorize later. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything carefully. Since expense information is sensitive and impacts your financial reporting, accuracy is crucial. When you're satisfied that all information is correct, click Save to record the expense in your system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.